How to recover deleted Facebook messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you have to open up Facebook. You can close up your Messenger. Now launch the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with the same account. So once you're logged in into your Facebook account, from your home page, head towards the top right and tap on your profile icon with the 3 line. Then again tap on the gear icon or the settings icon. So once you land on settings and privacy page, tap on the first option, that is Meta Account Center. Tap on it. Scroll down and under account setting, tap on your information and permissions. Now from here, tap on download your information. Then again tap on download or transfer the information. Now select your Facebook account, then tap on next. Now here select specific types of information. Scroll down and now select messages. Then tap on next. After that, tap on download to device. And here now you can select the date range. Tap on date range, and now here you can select your preferred date range and then tap on save. Now once you scroll down a bit, here tap on create files. After that, here it says your information is being prepared for a download. And once you have submitted your request and once the file is ready, you can download and extract it to review your messages. So that's how you can recover your deleted messages, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.